On today's body cam, we're checking out woman pulls knife inside police station.
What started as a routine visit to a police station quickly escalated into something far more dangerous.
Hey, it's Adam front desk.
Hey.
Can you please add a note in my call for the station? That girl who's here, that she's now messing with other customers in the lobby, so we can get the officer up here, or someone else up here, sooner than later.
According to police, the woman had arrived at the station to file a report regarding an unrelated incident. But after being told the matter would need to be handled by another department, tensions quickly began to rise.
Can you just hey, relax. What's the issue?
The issue is I'm coming in here to make a report, period, point blank. And it sounds like the same.
Why are you worried about her?
What you mean why I'm worried about her?
Because why are you worried about her?
Because her sounds exactly like the report that I'm finna make.
So why is that your problem?
Because she making false ass names and like that.
Okay, anyways.
What's the problem? So what's the problem?
Oh my God!
Hey, Ann?
Can you just go over there, ma'am? I got it. Are you here from Romeoville?
Yep.
Okay, go back to Romeoville.
No, I'm not going to Romeoville.
Well,
I came down here.
I can't take a police report for you for something that happened in Romeoville.
No, this is going to happen now because I can make the report here.
What's going to happen?
Talking about.
I thought you had a warrant or something like that. You thought you had a warrant.
I was coming here to turn myself in.
Okay.
You don't know what I had.
You came down here to ask if you had a warrant, right? They said no. Romeoville PD is not looking for you. They told you that, right? So yes, I know. And now you want to make a police report for something that happened in Romeoville? Yes.
I feel like she got mental health issues, man. She's a certified nut job, man.
No.
Yeah.
You got to go to Romeoville.
Plus, you're causing a problem here in this.
And no, I'm not going nowhere.
Why wouldn't you go anywhere?
Because I'm not. I came all the way down here.
Are you used to getting what you want?
No, I'm not used to getting what
I think you are.
Who told you to come down here?
Myself.
Well, you lied to yourself because nobody told you to come down here.
What you gonna do about it, officer?
What are you looking for?
What are y'all gonna do? White shirt, you came down here. What are you? I'm looking for a problem. Clearly. Clearly I'm looking for a problem.
Why?
I don't know. I guess I'm problematic.
You're just bored, huh?
Yeah, I'm so bored. No,
So you're just going to sit here all night?
I guess.
Are you going to leave people alone or are you going to start fights? So you're just going to be a problem?
No.
That sounds like the dumbest idea I've ever
Oh
heard.
well.
Are you homeless?
Don't worry about it.
Who the hell goes to the police station to cause a problem? Like, you're asking to go to jail, legit.
Y'all gonna learn to do y'all job.
Well,
Oh,
being dumb isn't against being against the law, so.
It doesn't matter.
What's-
Oh
no, you're being dumb.
So motherfucking smart.
Does anyone got her name
Smart out.
and her
You
info?
already know who I am.
No, I don't know who you are.
Yes, you fucking do.
Okay. So how long has she been here? Just like 5-10 minutes? Okay. You ready to go?
No, you ready to put your hands on me and take me or
Do
something?
you want me to put my hands on you and take you? Well, come on, let's go. Come on, I'll help you with your stuff.
Don't touch me.
Well, you want me to help you or not? Well, then let's go.
You got it.
I mean, you just need somewhere to be warm because you're homeless? This isn't the place.
That's the case. We can help you out with that. But you can't.
No, I want a problem. I want a problem. That's what I want.
Why are you looking at her? She ain't gonna do nothing to you. Because I'll slam you on the ground before you even try to get to her.
And you're just gonna have to do that.
Okay, go ahead. Go after her. I'm gonna slam you right on the ground. I'm telling you. You don't gotta worry about that, ma'am. You ain't gonna get that far. Oh,
Now.
hell no. You better put that fucking knife down. Sorry, she has a knife. Put that fucking knife down. Get on the ground.
This is how you get sent up there to the afterlife. Oh, about to get her together, boy. He ain't pull out no taser, no nothing. Straight Glock. What? You about to get these bullets in you, man. God damn. Oh. Oh.
It's on the ground.
Oh. Who did that? The old timer?
Put that fucking knife
Oh yeah, old timer not playing.
Put that f***ing knife down. Get on the ground.
Some shock therapy, boy. Ooh.
Looks like there's a disturbance.
Put that f***ing knife down, son. She has a knife. Okay. Put that f***ing knife down. Get on the ground. You got the
Look,
knife?
she locked up.
Looks like there's a disturbance.
Unbelievable.
Y'all wasn't gonna jump me.
I was about to shoot you.
I don't care. We're gonna have to
She
do.
probably has a knife on her.
That's what y'all should have did.
Woo. He about to send her up through there, boy.
You said no more, you didn't see it?
Turn your side. Knees to your chest. Knees to your chest. Just. Oh, that's a long yes one. You got it? I'll take them out down there. Ready to stand on your feet? If not, they have her info.
Give me my stuff.
Wow.
You can't keep my stuff and then kick me off the thing. That's stupid.
Sir, can you cut out again? I don't know if you're having radio trouble.
When is this? Oh, in January? See, yeah, things like this make sense. I've said this stuff before. You tend to see people do crimes, you know, people that's homeless or don't have, you know, much to do or go on. They do crimes like this so they could go to jail for a couple of months until at least, you know, because something like this, she'll probably get 6 months to a year, something like that, or probably like 6 months. And she deserves more, but we know how the judges are nowadays. But that'll get her through the winter. You know, she could go to jail, 3 hots and a cot, no real big problem. You know what I mean? If in fact she is homeless and stuff, this makes sense, you know, for her to do something like that.
After the taser was deployed, officers were able to take Thompson into custody without further incident. She was later charged with aggravated assault on a police officer and obstructing a police officer. Additional court information was not immediately available at the time this video was produced.
Hit the subscribe, let the 808 slide. Crazy as footage on a midnight ride.